got these reusable batteries from Paleblue Earth. Came in a nice little box for an assortment. Let's see what they're all about. So it looks like got a few different packs in here. So it looks like 2 packs of AAAs and 2 packs of the AA's. They were all in sleeves. I've got to get them out of that first. And then there's a container. Little flip. There we go. So looks like these AA's and AAA's all have a USB-C charger right at the top of them. Lithium ion 1.5 volts, unlike other rechargeable batteries that are 1.2 or 1.25 volts. And they come with these little cables, USB to 4 USB-Cs. So that makes it nice to charge all 4 batteries at the same time. So this kit was on their website. I purchased it. Not sponsored. They have AAA's, AA's, C's, D's, 9 volts, CR123As, which is great for military people because, you know, the Surefire flashlights and such, you can just recharge them. So that's kind of nice. But yeah, I mean, we're going to put these to the test in a bunch of different things, from gaming controllers to cameras, not GoPros, but I mean remotes, everything you can think of, trail cams and such. So we'll put them to test here and give them a try. And this is the AAA's here. We'll open that up. Same thing. AAA's just a little smaller. USB-C. 1.5 volts, Paleblue, and they all came with that 1 to 4 USB-C, which is going to be nice. So it does say to charge them first, so we're going to give them a charge, and we're going to give it a try tomorrow. But here's the initial review. They seem pretty well. Pretty decent weight for a rechargeable battery. Normally rechargeables are a little bit less, but there you are for the initial review. So we'll check back here after some usage. Paleblue. Here I have them all charging. As you can see, they're all plugged in and they're all charging the USB-C. I have the AAA's and the AA's charging.